You know, we're gonna just never mind about it. Just we're gonna draw the Gojo. You guys, if you know Gojo, then subscribe. Anyways, I know how to draw Gojo over here because I know Gojo. My classmate just really drew Gojo really so awesome. Anyways, then let's get started. First, we're gonna do the head over here. You see what I just did to the head? And you'll just see. And time for her really eye scarf or whatever it is. You know. Now, boom! Look at this. Now, time for her really nose and her mouth. This is gonna be crazy, dude. This is gonna be crazy. You know, my classmate just draw a ugly Gojo. You never know that. Anyways, time for her hair. You know, look at about the mouth. We're really gonna, you know, there's nothing about that mouth. Anyways, now done for the hair. Now is completely the hair. Anyways, now we're gonna draw the neck. I mean, what I'm doing. Really, Gojo had no neck anyways. Then let's do this. Boom. You know, really. Just copy what I'm really drawing, okay, guys? Because L'Oreal really know what's this mean. Really Gojo. Guys, boom. The mouth is now done and anyways, time for the body. Okay. Okay, now time for the time for the really body, really, and the really arms. Okay. Boom. Oh, I have no, my pen is really out of really, oh my god. I'm gonna be slowly, so okay, this. Guys, do. Oh my god. We're gonna draw happy and boom. You see the happy. Block the happy. Boom. Anyways, then let's go to the low. I just really draw, yeah. Now, time for the color body. Oh, okay about that. We don't care about drawings, we care about playing. Guys, you really never know this thing. You know, guys, this is the arm. This is not the part of the body. This is just a arm. Shut up, mom. Yeah, no problem. Anyways, now really. Okay, no. Doing. Okay, boom. Anyways, to care about the arm, maybe just care about the arm. Guys, remember, this is just an arm. Don't care about the arm. Okay. Anyways, we're done for the Gojo sense. Then, let's gonna go into the... Guys, grab blue and grab a red. Red over here. Red, if you had no... Wait, if you're really red, is no markers already. Just wait. If you really... Then, first, we go blue. Just make a ball over... Oh, this really thing had nothing anymore. So let's gonna use the ultimate blue one. This is the ultimate one. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah, we're gonna do this. Draw a really hollow purple. Boo, more like it. Boo, yeah, like this. Anyways, then go in here. Make sure to not get really guys. Bro. Oh my god. Anyways, guys, don't care about that bra thing. Oh my god. Ayo. And this thing has nothing anymore. No, I don't care, guys. If you had no red anymore, so just really, you just grab another red. If you had nothing, just we're saying your ball pen. And boom. Now time for here. Make sure to not go in the white thing. Don't, Boom! More like it. And now done. Now time for the ultimate holo purple say. Grab some purple like over this purple. Look the really purple. I grab a purple. You never see this. This is a purple, guys. This is definitely a purple. You never know. Then go it to the head of the color purple. Make sure to not get really. Okay, this. Boom. No, Shem, Mom. No, just be quiet, Mom. No, just be quiet. Boo. Wait. I don't have name. Boom. Holo purple. Anyways, guys, then let's draw the holo purple word. Holo purple. Now time for the H and time for the O. Boom. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna draw the next character, Sonic the Hedgehog. Boom. Okay, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure, okay? Make sure. Anyways, then I'm gonna draw the holo purple word. Mom, stay away from me. Oh, yeah. And time for the L. Okay. Boom. And time for the another L, bro. Holo purple. Wait. Guys, if you know holo purple, make sure to like subscribe. And just really draw. If you know how to draw Gojo, then don't watch this video. Just watch any of my videos. Boom. Oh my goodness. Holo. Boom. Holo. And time for the purple word. Boom. Holo purple. Okay. Time for the purple word. I can't really understand you. Holo purple. Time for the P. Purple. Oh my god, no, this is terrible. Purple. Anyways, then this is the really coolest part of the holo purple word. Holo purple. Wait a minute. Dude, I have no space for my E, bruh. Holo and purple. Holo purple. Oh, I did the wrong one. Boom. More like it. Boom. Holo purple. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah. Guys, make sure to don't forget this thing. Boom. Okay. Oh yeah. And don't forget the red too. Boom. Okay, guys. My red is almost gonna really empty right now. Anyways, now this is how you draw a Gojo set. Okay, guys. Really don't forget to subscribe, guys. And see you next time. Bye. And if you know Gojo now, then subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.